Stuck with a flat tire on the highway? Searching for help? Feeling stressed and helpless? Gas stations charge for air. Tow trucks cost even more. Worried about wasting money and precious time? Kids in the car? Safety becomes your top priority. Camping trip ruined by a deflated paddleboard. Bike tires low before a morning ride. Soccer ball flat before the big game. Air mattress deflates in the middle of the night. Everyday emergencies, always at the worst times. Introducing the STATIK TireHero car tire inflator. Free air anywhere. No more searching for stations. Portable, powerful, fits in your glove box or backpack. Charges at home, ready for any adventure. Inflates tires, balls, bikes, paddleboards, air mattresses. Perfect for road trips, camping, and outdoor fun. Never get stranded or pay for emergency services again. TireHero is your safety kit for every journey. Built-in flashlight keeps you safe at night. Emergency light helps you see and be seen. Doubles as a phone or tablet charger in emergencies. Stay connected when you need it most. Save money on gas with better tire pressure. Prevent expensive tire damage and replacements. Before, waiting for help, feeling anxious and helpless. After, inflate your tire in minutes, drive away safely. Before, searching for air pumps, paying extra fees. After, free air at your fingertips anytime. Before, flat bike tires ruin your workout plans. After, quick inflation, ready to ride. Before, deflated soccer ball, disappointed kids. After, instant air, game on. Before, paddleboard deflates, adventure ends early. After, inflate anywhere, keep the fun going. Before, air mattress deflates, uncomfortable sleep. After, inflate in seconds, sleep soundly. Before, phone battery dies during emergency. After, charge your phone, stay safe and connected. Before, struggling to see at night, feeling unsafe. After, bright flashlight guides your way. TireHero makes daily life easier for car owners. Outdoor enthusiasts trust TireHero for every adventure. Families stay safe and prepared on the road. No more wasted money or stressful emergencies. No more searching for air or waiting for help. TireHero keeps you moving, wherever life takes you. Compact, lightweight, and easy to use. Powerful 150 PSI inflates anything quickly. Emergency charger and flashlight built in. Save on gas, prevent tire damage, protect your family. Be ready for any situation, anytime, anywhere. STATIK TireHero, the smart solution for every driver. Keep one in your car, bag, or camping gear. Don't wait for emergencies. Be prepared now. Get your TireHero today and drive with confidence. STATIK TireHero. Free air anywhere, anytime,